Is your LG Magic Remote not working? Most remote problems have simple solutions. Let's start with the most common issues and their quick fixes. The three most common problems are dead batteries, something blocking the remote signal to the TV, or a pairing issue between the remote and television. First, let's check the batteries. Open the battery compartment. Remove the old batteries and clean the battery contacts with a dry cloth. Then insert a fresh set of batteries. Make sure nothing is blocking the signal path between your remote and the TV. Remove any furniture, decorations, or other devices that might be in the way. If the batteries aren't the problem, try power cycling the remote. Remove the batteries, wait exactly 10 seconds, then reinsert them. This simple reset often fixes communication issues. Here's a quick fix for when the cursor disappears from your TV screen. Simply scroll the wheel in the center of the remote and the cursor should reappear immediately. These basic troubleshooting steps solve most common Magic Remote problems. Try these quick fixes first before moving on to more advanced solutions. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, it's time for advanced solutions. We'll explore resetting and repairing your LG Magic Remote using several proven methods. The first reset method involves pressing and holding the home and back buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. This is the most commonly successful reset technique. If the first method doesn't work, try alternative reset methods. Hold the exit button for 30 seconds or hold the guide button for 30 seconds. These methods can resolve different types of pairing issues. After resetting your remote, you need to repair it with your TV. Point the remote at your TV and press the OK button, which is the scroll wheel in the center. A pairing message will appear on your TV screen. If repairing doesn't work, try power cycling your TV. Unplug the TV from power for 1 full minute, then plug it back in. This clears the TV's memory and can resolve connectivity issues. As a last resort, you can update your TV's software or perform a factory reset. Software updates can fix compatibility issues, but a factory reset will erase all your settings and should only be used when nothing else works. While troubleshooting your remote, you can use the LG TV Plus app on your smartphone as a temporary remote control. This ensures you can still operate your TV while working on the remote issue. These advanced solutions should resolve most Magic Remote issues. Start with the reset methods, then try repairing. If problems persist, power cycle your TV or check for software updates. Remember, the LG TV Plus app is always available as a backup remote solution.